Hi, I'm your teacher Jala. Today is my 12th lesson. Today we are going to learn about prepositions in English language. Prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words or set of words used before a noun to show the connection to the other words in the sentence. So these are the examples of the prepositions. So these are used before nouns, before a noun to show the connection to the other words in a sentence. So these are the simple examples. In, on, under, over, behind, in front of, in between, near, beside. There are more prepositions in English language. There are so many prepositions. These are a few of the prepositions that I have chosen for your convenience. So I'm going to show you some simple examples. Okay, let's get this pen. Okay, I can say the pen is in the box. The pen is in the box. It's in the box. Okay. Now the second one. On. The pen is on the box. The pen is on the box. Under. The pen is under the box. The pen is under the box. Over. The pen is kept over the box. The pen is kept over the box. Behind. The pen is behind the box. The pen is behind the box. In front of. The pen is in front of the box. The pen is in front of the box. In between. The pen is in between the box and me. The pen is in between the box and me. Near. The pen is near the box. Can be here or here or here. The pen is near the box. Beside. The pen is beside the box. The pen is kept beside the box. Okay, now next we are going to do some example sentences. Now we are going to do some sentences using the prepositions that we have learned. The first one, in. I said the pen is in the box. The pen is in the box. Okay, so I say that the word in shows relationship or the connection between the pen and the box. So now we know that the pen is in the box because we have used the word in. It's a preposition. The second one, on. The pen is on the box. So we know that the pen is on the box. Next one, the pen is under the box. Okay, the fourth one is the pen the box. The pen is kept over the box. Next one, behind. The pen is behind the box. The pen is behind. Next one, in front of. The pen is in front of the box. Seventh one, in between. The pen is in between. The box and me. Seventh one, near. The pen is near the box. The last one is beside. The pen is kept beside the box. So I'm going to show you the connection between the preposition and the noun. The pen is in the box. In the box. So we know that it's in the box. So the second one, the pen is on the box, on top. The pen is under the box. The connection. The pen is kept over the box. The pen is behind the box. The pen is in front of the box. The pen is in between the box and me. The pen is near the box. The pen is kept beside the box. Now you can make your own sentences using the prepositions. You can find a lot of prepositions and you make your own sentences, please. And I hope that you have enjoyed my lesson. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye.